Do you like pina coladas? Do you like getting lost in the rain? Well, so do we at Slice's Concession. And by rain, we mean the profits from soft serve ice cream. So if you're not aware, soft serve ice cream can come in so many different kind of flavors and styles. There can be powdered mix, wet mix. Soft serve machines can have 2 flavors and a twist. They can be a single flavor. But today, we want to check out what happens when we combine 2 awesome products. The first is Dole Whip, or Dole Pineapple Soft Serve Mix. Technically, you probably can't say Dole Whip because a certain company might own that. But you can buy this from us if you want to buy more than a pallet size. We only sell pallet or more. And you can buy this on the internet, your local food service provider. It's a powder mix. You've got dairy-free, fat-free, no cholesterol, gluten-free, lactose-free, all natural colors, and peanut carcinogen-free, and made in the USA. So, I mean, it still might not work for all people, but it's gonna work for a heck of a lot of people. And then we have the premier dry vegan mix from Mammy's Foods, Dole-Conut. Naomi is an amazing owner-operator, and their team is just fantastic. You can find them online. This is also a powder mix, so you add water, you stir. You maybe have a 2-part process where you add water once and then again. It's a great powder mix, got a great taste. So we are combining the Dole-Conut Normal, which is gonna have a nice coconut taste, with our Dole Pineapple, and so we can have a Pina Colada. So with a 2 flavor and a twist soft serve machine, you can immediately have a profit center, and you can have really cool flavors. For instance, if you worked with us, we could tell you how to do a lemongrass and a Thai tea, or we could tell you how to do a lemon and a lavender. There's all kinds of great things that you can get super creative, and as we see the globalization of sweetness and ice cream occurring, we want you to be able to stay up with the best trends. And all that's great, but if you don't have a machine that works, and you don't have a machine that actually fits your needs, then maybe you can't be quite successful. And that's what we do here at Slice's Concession. We combine quality used equipment with a warranty, know-how on the industry, and making sure we find the right machine that actually fits your needs, your power needs. Is it air or water cooled? What size do you really need? What's the average recovery time? There are other folks out there that sell ice cream machines that just say, here you go, this is maybe what you need. It's not what we do. We hear you, we understand what your needs are, and then we say, here's what we can offer. But enough of all that, let's get to the reason why we're actually doing this video. That's to see a Taylor C713, which is a gravity-fed machine with 2 hoppers and 2 flavors and a twist, make some really awesome Dole-Conut and Dole Whip, so more like Dole-Conut. Let's see. Really nice look. We make prettier machines than we make cones, but check that out. So you've got this luscious, full-fat coconut here, and this delectable Dole Whip, and this is going to make you then, you could do you could call this a Pina Colada. You could do toasted coconut shavings on top. You could do a pineapple reduction syrup here. You could even do some little bit of strawberry puree to give it some more color and red, and it's just absolutely fantastic. So there's one special you could do right there. And then on this, on the Dole Whip side, we could just pull this handle, and then check it out. We could even do something like this, where we serve a normal portion of Dole Whip, and we could come back around here and add some tagine, or maybe some chamoy sauce, and kind of almost make it a Dole Whip and chamoy instead of mango and chamoy. So there's all kinds of great profits you can do, and you can see you can get that nice little beautiful curly Q at the end. So, and Dole Whip always actually smells great. You can actually smell it, and while you can smell most ice creams, Dole Whip, it really comes through, and people know it and they appreciate it. And it's a great addition because, you know, even with a gravity-fed machine, you can make a superior product just like this. So you don't always have to have a pressurized machine. And over here we have Mammy's Foods, pulling out that delicious, just pure, gorgeous white Dole-Conut. And then from here, we could add any kind of homemade syrups. We could take brittle and crackers and kind of sprinkle it around, and it's a beautiful, delicious vegan treat. So dairy-free doesn't have to mean bad. Dairy-free doesn't have to be lacking taste. You can still serve the growing trend of dairy-free customers seeking these things with a good used soft serve machine and the good mixes out there. So if you have any questions about ice cream machines, soft serve machines, batch freezers, frozen drink machines, how to make the world's best frosé, how to make a pretty gosh darn good margarita, or how to have gourmet chef-inspired soft serve, I'd love to talk to you. I'd like to hear about your business, and anything from a coffee shop to a full-on restaurant and a mom and pop burger shop in between, we can help you find the right machine at the right price and backed up by good customer service and people that know and care. Thank you and have a great day.